Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Roxy. For those of you who are new, I am back with another headband wig video. If you guys haven't noticed by now, headband wigs are the new trend and they're a quick and easy way to style your hair, but at the same time looking like you put a lot of effort into it. So the headband wig that I am sharing with you guys today is from KlaiyiHair, and they sent me this blonde ombre highlighted headband wig. I believe it's about 24 inches in length. This is my second blonde headband wig. At first I was a little bit worried that it would be too much, but now I know that the blonde does look really good, especially with the ombre roots. Because I knew I was going to be rocking a blonde wig, I decided to kind of mute my eyes. I kind of have this neutral eyeshadow look going on here. So to prepare my hair is already pretty much slicked back using some edge control, and I threw a wig cap over my head. It's not necessary, but it's something that I like to do. So yes, my hair is slicked back already, but I just want to refresh it a little bit more with some gel. One thing I love about KlaiyiHair's headband wigs is that they have the combs here instead of having wig clips. I find that the combs give you a lot more coverage and you have a lot more security because the combs are a lot longer and they can really dig into your hair. They also have these straps at the back so that you can adjust them, and that helps the wig to be more snug. And of course, it comes with the Velcro strap, which is the foundation of the headband wig. So now I'm just gonna put on the wig. So as you guys can see, the headband here is covering my hairline. I don't like it to cover my hairline. I like my hairline to show even if it's a little bit. So all I do is just roll it back here, and it kind of just opens up the look and takes the headband off of my face. So this is how the wig looks after just putting it on. I'm just going to show you guys the back. Now I'm just going to take my flat iron to, smooth it through the hair, just to take out any kinks that may have occurred from it just being in the box and the packaging. I just want it to be, as straight and sleek as possible. And you can see the difference from this side as opposed to this side. This one just has a little bit of a dip here just because of the packaging. So it does flat iron easily, it flat irons well. And obviously this is a human hair unit, so you can add curls to it and you can flat iron it at, your average heat. So they did send a few headbands. I'm going to try on a couple here. So the first one is this tropical looking headband. This like nice little tropical print. This is a very summery vibe. I'm going to try it on just to see how it looks, with the blonde and everything. Yes, so this is definitely giving me summer vibes, vacation, and this is only because of the print. So basically each headband can give you a different kind of look, a different vibe. It's very versatile in that way. Let me know if you guys are loving this blonde, especially with the gold on the dark skin. Let me know, guys. Let me know. They also included this orange headband here. As soon as I put this on, I was like, yes, this looks perfect on my skin tone. I can't wait to rock these in the summertime. This is gonna be like one of the easiest ways to even style my hair, especially if I want to go on vacation as well and I want to switch up the looks, switch up the outfits. You know, my hair doesn't need to be super long to get away with this. This is so easy to style. There's also this purple here, so it's very much giving me summertime. Very vibrant color headbands they sent that look very good on my skin tone. They also have these crystal studded headbands. These headbands are trending right now, so it's definitely a great way to glam up your headband look. Oh my god, I'm so in love with this particular unit. It just feels different. I feel like a hot girl. Just in case you love this wig as much as I do, I will leave all the details for this unit in the description box below. Also, look out for a coupon code or any type of Black Friday sale that Klaiyi might be having. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And as usual, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!